Good morning. Today's video would be about top 5 tea stalls close to Bopodi metro station. Top 5 tea stalls which are close to Bopodi metro station. We will start from number 5 and will go all the way to number 1. Number 5 is Prahalad Tea Joint. Prahalad Tea Joint is close to Sukeshni Tours and Travels. Number 4 is A1 J1. We would get both veg and non-veg dishes at A1 J1. Number 3 is Prahalad Tea Center. Prahalad Tea Center is located opposite HTFC Bank ATM. The HTFC ATM which is close to Bopodi metro station. Actually, Prahalad Tea Center and Prahalad Tea Joint are on the same road. Number 2 is Rajwadi Tea Corner. Rajwadi Tea Corner is located near Pune IT Park. Number 1 is VRC Katta with Chai Sutta. VRC Katta with Chai Sutta is located near New Golden Dragon Restaurant. Let us again revise the top 5 tea stalls close to Bopodi metro station. This time from number 1 to number 5. Number 1 VRC Katta with Chai Sutta. Number 2 Rajwadi Tea Corner. Number 3 Prahalad Tea Center. Number 4 A1 J1. Number 5 Prahalad Tea Joint. Thank you.